Mar Zutra answered the question of the Gemara, which was, why do we have a specific bracha for wine, Bari Pri Hagafen? We don't have that specific bracha for olive oil. Olive oil is Bari Pri Ha'etz. And the answer that Mar Zutra gave was that wine is nourishing, but oil is not nourishing. And we're going to start right here. The Gemara asks, Mishcha lo Zayyin, is oil not nourishing? Mishcha is oil, and Zayyin means nourishing. So Mishcha lo Zayyin, oil is not nourishing. V'hatinan, but we have learned in the Mishnah, the Viha of this V'hatinan means and but. V'hatinan, but we have learned in the Mishnah. And the Tana means to have learned, and Tanan means we have learned in the Mishnah. So, but we have learned that Hanoider min Hamazon, someone that takes an oath from eating food. What is the rule? Mutter b'mayim u'v'melach, he can eat water and salt. I guess that means electrolytes in the water, but maybe it actually means salt. What it means is that water and salt are not in the vernacular, in the regular language. It's not considered food. Food means other types of things, which, by the way, would include oil, which means he would be forbidden to eat oil when he took the oath from eating any food. How long is he going to survive on this? I don't know. But nevertheless, that's the oath, and he's forbidden to eat everything but water and salt. V'havinan ba, and we deliberated on this. Heavy means to be, and v'havinan ba is used as a question. We stopped on this to question. We investigated this. Mayim u'melach, water and salt. Who? It, which means that category, water and salt. D'lo yikri mazon is what's not called food. Ha kol mili, but all other types, which means everything else other than water and salt, ikri mazon is considered food. Nema, we shall say, Teheve Tiyufta, that it will be a question, Dirav Ushmuel, of Rav, on Rav and Shmuel, which means that of Rav and Shmuel. Rav and Shmuel made a statement, De Amri, that they have said, Ein Mevarchim, we do not say the bracha of Bari Pri Hagafen. I'm sorry, Bari Mini, whoa, that was a mistake. Bari Mini Mezainas, the bracha of Bari Mini Mezainas, we only say the bracha of who created types of food. Ella Behei Minim Belvad, only with 5 species alone. And what's the problem? The problem is that Bari Mini Mezainas means types of food. And what bracha can that be said on? Only on the 5 grains, which is wheat, barley, oats, spelt, rye, what am I missing? Wheat, barley, oats, spelt, and rye, which is 5. So, and really, Bari Mini Mezainas should be able to be said on all food. Mazain means food. And I even have a Mishnah that says someone that takes an oath from Mazain is not allowed to eat anything, except for water and salt. So why can't Mezainas be said on all of those? So, V'amar Rav Huna answers this question. Rav Huna was a famous Talmud of Rav. He says, Ba'imer kol hazon olai. And let's put that into quotes, that Mishnah where the person took the oath, he actually said, Ba'imer, he said, let's make that into a comma, kol hazon, anything that nourishes, olai is upon me, which means is forbidden upon me. That critical word is missing. But anything that nourishes is forbidden on me. Now, the key here, and I want to highlight this word, let's make it red, is when he says kol hazon, and we said mishcha lo Zayyin, when he forbade on himself anything that's nourishing. And what is he not allowed to eat? All types of food. Included in that is oil as well. So Alma, we see let me change the color back. Alma, we see Mishcha Zayyin. Oil is nourishing. Okay. Just to clarify the question, is Mar Zutra said that oil is not nourishing and wine is nourishing, and hence the bracha of Bari Pri Hagafen. After this Mishnah, question on the Mishnah, question on Rav and Shmuel based on this Mishnah. And an answer of Rav Huna, turns out that Mishnah is a proof that all types of food are nourishing except for water and salt. So why would we say that, wine is nourishing but not oil? Mishcha is Zion. Oil is nourishing. So you can't tell me that the reason why oil doesn't get its unique bracha is because it's not nourishing. Of course it's nourishing. We have this Mishnah in the Darim with the explanation of Rav Huna that it's nourishing. Ella, rather, Chamra, wine, Sa'id, is satiating, which means it's filling. The word Su'uda, it's like a meal. But Mishcha, but oil, Lo Sa'id, is not satiating. Okay? And hence, we now have our answer. Why does wine get its own bracha? Because it's filling and satiating. It gets a bari priagafen. But if you drink olive oil, you would only say ha'etz, because it does not have that uniqueness of being satiating.